Good morning, students. So as you have seen that yesterday we have finished our word problems, that is from exercise 2.3. Now it's turn to do the last exercise from our chapter, that is exercise 2.4, and the topic is estimating the sums. The values have been given to us. We have to round them to nearest thousands and then add them, and also to find out the actual sum also. Okay, so rounding off we have already studied in previous classes also. Now today we will revise our rounding off, how to round off the number. Then we will find out both the estimated sum and then the actual sum. Okay, now it's time to see the video with the help of which we can revise our rounding off. Okay, let us revise approximation to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands, and also we will see examples of estimating the outcomes of number operations. Now see some examples. Example number 1, approximation to nearest hundreds and thousands. So first digit is 1536. Since 36 falls between 0 to 49, so it will be rounded off to 0. So it will be neglected and the final answer will be 1500. Next digit is 14650. Now as is have to be approximate to thousands, 650 is falling between 500 to 1000. So it will be one digit will be added to 4 and it will become 5. So it will be 15,000. Now let us see one more example. Raman wants to buy a gift for his teacher. The gift item costs rupees 215. He has 164 and his father has given him 57 rupees. Then is this money is enough to buy the gift? Find it by estimation. Okay. Now he has 164 rupees. His father has given 57. So direct addition mein you will get 221. Okay, and the cost of the gift is 215. But it's to save our time we can round it off to the nearest numbers. Okay, so let us see how to round off them. Now since 164 the highest term is in hundreds, and in 57 the highest place value is up to tens. Okay, so if it is in tens, so we will round it off to nearest this number only, and to next number we will round it off to nearest hundreds. So it will be rounded off to 160 and 57 will be rounded off to 60, and ultimately it becomes 220, which is quite close to the actual value also, which was 221. So let us see some more examples on it. So if we have to estimate to nearest hundreds and to nearest thousands, how you can do? Just think over it. You will get 200 plus 100 and it will give you 300. Now students, this is our exercise from the textbook, page number 30 and exercise 2.4. Now after watching the video you must have understood how to round off the numbers. Now see the questions. First part has been given in the book only. As you can see, this is nothing but 4863. So this is 800, so obviously this is closer to the 1000 only, so one value of 1000 will be increased, it will become 5000, and 2700 is also closer to 3000. So the rounding numbers are these. When we added them we got 8000, and the actual sum you can find out by adding these two values. Similarly, B and C part I have done for you. You see this is 7400, so 4 is closer to the 0 as farther it is not more than 5, so it will become 0 only. So what we got it 7000, and in the next value we have 6500. So as the value is more than 500, so it will be rounded off to 1000 only, so it means the 6000 becomes the 7000. So now these are the rounding off numbers. What is left is to add the estimated sum, that is the 7,000 plus 7,000 gives us 14,000, and the actual sum you have to find out by adding these two numbers. Okay, similarly in all these parts we have to round it off them as shown in the video. Let us do one more part, that is a E part. This is 19,600. So 600 is closer to the 1000 only. So this 19,000 value will become 20,000. 20, 000. Then next is 26,589. Again this 589 will be rounded off to 1000 only. So 26 will become 27. 27 and 30,000. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two values. This will give us estimated sum, and the actual sum we will get by adding these two numbers. In this way we will complete all this table in our book only. Okay.